Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung sama kayong lapalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan nyo muna kami ni G the Green, girly cutie patuti iguana, na batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night na po sa mga ready ng matulog. Lumabas pa yung daliri ko sa camera. At syempre, hingin ko muna ng inyo 12 minutes para sa ating G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. So, nag-enumerate tayo. Siyam yung natapos natin kahapon. Hindi pala kahapon, for a few days. 4 na araw tayo, 3 araw na po tayo nagle-lecture about berries. So, mag-continue po tayo. Ayan. So, ang pinakauna po, kasi ito yung ating lecture po ngayon, are the reasons why berries are amongst the healthiest food on earth. Ayun, so mayroon tayong na-discuss na at patuloy lang tayo sa ating pag-discuss kasi ito po ay very, very educational mga masters and mga ka-G. At salamat po sa inyo ha. I hope po ay nakikinig po kayo. Alright, so pinakaunang reason kung bakit po berries are considered or amongst the healthiest foods on earth is because number one is it is loaded with antioxidants. Number two, it may help improve blood sugar levels and insulin product response. Number three is very high. It's high in fiber. Number four, provide many nutrients. Number five, help prevent or help fight inflammation. Number six, may help lower cholesterol levels. Number seven may be good for your skin. Number eight is may help protect against cancer. Ayan po mga masters. And number 9 is can be enjoyed on nearly all types of diet. So 9 po yung nating natapos. Let's proceed to the last 2 mga masters and mga ka-G. So berries may help keep your arteries healthy. Ayun mga arteries po. So in addition to lowering cholesterol, berries provide other beneficial or other benefits for heart health. Marami din siya po nadadadag na mga heart benefits or mga healthy benefits para sa heart. Ayun. So including improving the function of or your arteries. Our or your arteries. So yan. Pareho lang naman yan. Basta arteries. Okay, so nag-i-improve po siya ng function ng ating arteries, mga masters. The cells that line your blood vessels are called endothelial cells. So may mga cells po na nasa labas po, sila po yung nagko-compose po ng ating blood vessels are tinatawag na endothelial cells. They help control blood pressure, keep blood from clotting, and perform other important functions. Okay, yun po yung endothelial cells. Kumbaga yung mga bumubuo po sa skin or sa cells nasa labas o nagbubuo po ng ating blood vessels. Excessive inflammation can damage these cells, inhibiting proper function. So pag nag-inflame po yan, yung ating arteries and veins, yan po, may mga problema sa function po. Kasi syempre, iba na po yung kanyang pressure. Diba? These is referred to as endothelial dysfunction. Magkakaroon tayo ng dysfunction dahil po ay meron pong pressure. Dahil po yung pressure na yan ay namamaga po yung iyong arteries and veins or yung arteries, mga masters. Okay? So, this is referred to as endothelial dysfunction, a major risk factor for heart disease. Tandaan niyo po yung endothelial dysfunction is another big factor para po tayo ay magkakaroon po ng heart disease. Berries have been found to improve endothelial function in studies in healthy adults, individuals with metabolic syndrome, and people who smoke. Pag meron ka ng metabolic syndrome at meron ka na pong history na matagal ka na nagsisigarilyo at, di ba? Ano pa ba? At may merong blood pressure problem at meron talagang metabolic syndrome. Okay? At ng mga adults. Ito po ay nakakatulong. Okay, ang berries. In a controlled study in 44 people, sa 44 na tao po, controlled study, ibig sabihin po, yung kanilang ginagawa lahat ay kontrolado, pati po yung oras ng tulog nila, oras kung kailan sila kakain, at ang oras kung kailan po sila kinukunan ng results. So, controlled po yan, ha? Okay, so merong 44 na tao po sa kanilang controlled study na meron pong metabolic syndromes. Meron po silang metabolic syndrome. Those consuming a daily blueberry smoothie showed significant improvements in endothelial function. So kanilang endothelial function po ay nag-improve after po sila kumain ng berries. Okay? So, baked berry products are considered processed, whereas freeze-dried are not, or freeze-dried berries are not. So, papapiliin po kayo mga masters or mga ka-G kung saan po ang mas maganda at mas beneficial, yung mga na-bake na ba na mga na berries, or yung hindi sabihin yung berries ang binibake ka, yung meron yung mga gumagawa kayo ng cake or cupcakes na siyempre meron pong berry na ingredient, or kahit na bilog pa na berry po yan or buong berry pa yan, ay hindi na siya mas beneficial kasi nasisira na po yung kanyang enzymes, nasisira na po yung kanyang component kung ito po ay na-baked. Pero ang sabi po dito, mas maganda pa rin ang air or ang freeze-dried kasi hindi po siya niluluto. Okay? So, one study found that although baking blueberries reduce their anthocyanin, nawawala po daw yung anthocyanin niya pag nabibake mo na. Okay? So, total antioxidant concentrations remain the same. So, pero yung kanyang total na antioxidant concentration, which is the amount po kung para po it fights against cancer or it fights against oxidation process. So, ganoon pa rin daw po, hindi na po siya bumabago kahit na i-bake pa siya. Arterial function improves similarly in people who consume baked or freeze-dried berries. Yung kanilang arteries po nag-improve. Okay, in summary, berries have been found to improve arterial function in several studies in healthy people. Nag-improve siya sa mga ibang sa kanilang mga subjects ay nakita po meron talagang improvement by just eating berries. Siyempre, in controlled environment. Those with metabolic syndrome and people who smoke. Yan po, nakakatulong pa rin po siya. Kahit po meron ka ng metabolic syndrome at ang mga taong nagsasmoke, ang berries po ay nakakatulong. Let's proceed to the 11th na reason. Delicious alone or in healthy recipes. So, masarap na pala talaga siya kahit na wala ka pang gagawin. Berries lang, hugasan mo lang at kainin. Berries are undeniably delicious. They make a wonderful snack or dessert, whether you used one type or a mix of two or more. Kahit na po isang berry lang po yan, kahit strawberry lang po yan, o dagdagan mo ng other berries, strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, or mga anong combination pa dyan, masarap pa rin po siya. Though they're naturally sweet and require no additional sweetener. Adding a little bit or a bit of whipped cream can transform them into a more elegant dessert. Yung ginagawa po nila, no? Yung strawberry, nagagawa sila ng shake, lalagyan ng whipped cream. O, diba? For breakfast, try berries topped with either plain Greek yogurt. Okay, hanap kayo ng Greek yogurt. Lagyan niyo po ng mga berries. Okay? Lagyan niyo po ng cottage cheese or ricotta cheese along with some chopped nuts. Maraming ding nuts, di ba? Almond, walnut, di ba? Maraming nuts. Wag lang peanuts po kasi yung peanuts po iba yung ano niya, more on fatty po siya na side. At sige, sa susunod po i-lecture natin yung peanuts na yan. Another way to include berries in your diet as part of the salad. Salad po mga masters, di ba? Very common naman po yung strawberry, berries, cranberry, di ba? Marami klaseng mga berries po mga masters. Wala po ito po yung ating sample ng berries na ginagamit natin kay G, na binibigay natin kay G. Natawag po dito is berry medley. Blackberries, blueberries, raspberry, and strawberries. Marami pa klaseng berries. Isa sa mga berries na maganda, isang cranberry, pero wala po siya dyan. Hindi po siya kasama sa pack na yan. Okay? So, another way to include berries in your diet is salad. To discover the nearly endless versatility of berries, the internet has a lot of healthy recipes. Hanap lang kayo sa internet, mga masters and mga kaji. Alright, in summary, berries are delicious when served alone with cream or healthy recipes. Kahit ano po, versatile po siya. Magugustuhan niyo talaga ang berries kahit lagyan niyo pa yan ng syrup, lalagyan niyo pa yan ng mga cream. Okay, mas maganda wala. Pero syempre, yung iba kasi gusto nila yung mga more on the tastier side. Alright, mga masters. So the bottom line here is berries taste great. They're highly nutritious and provide many healthy benefits, including for your heart and skin. By including them in your diet, okay, on a regular basis, regular basis din, hindi lang basta-basta na, halimbawa, kumain ka ng berries ngayon, ang susunod mo na pagkain ng berries is 2-3 weeks from now. Iba na po yan. Dapat regular talaga para makikita mo yung effect. Okay, you can improve your overall health in a very enjoyable way. Ngayon, nag-i-enjoy ka na, improve pa yung health mo. Alright, mga masters and mga ka-G, hanggang dito lang po tayo. At syempre, kita-kits tayo mamaya sa ating Premier Marathon, alas 11 po ng umaga, dito po sa Bahay Kulitan. Master Worm pa rin po yan, ang host from 11 to 4, followed by Yams OFW Vlogs. Then magsa-celebrate po tayo ng birthday ng ating bro RMTV21. And the last batch, or the last host, will be our Beshi Merle Estani Vlogs. Alright, mga masters and mga ka-G, kita-kits tayo mamaya. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin ngayon. God is great. Yahoo!